Hey everybody, it's Dustin. I just wanted to do a new video and show you how to turn off a light switch. I know the last video we did was kind of hard to see because turning on the light switch was in the dark, so you couldn't see. So this is actually turning off the light switch.
Victim had been stabbed in a violent, horrific manner. We had this hair. It had never been.
And we had a hit.
Okay, so that didn't exactly work, so let's try that again. One more time, turning off a light switch.
This case may actually get solved.
Alright, that was it. You probably can't see me because it's dark, like on our first video, turning on a light switch. But thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.